Okay, this is Zachary. He is a grumpy cat. And we're going to start, like always, with the body. You want to get that straight edge lined up with the bottom edge of your block. And then we're going to put in his grumpy face. And then we'll get his ears in place. And now his face. You won't get to see the great details on the face until after the stitching is done. It just won't be as visible. You can see it here, but it'll be stronger, more clearly defined when the stitching is done. But I wanted to make him really grumpy, so he doesn't just have a turned down mouth, he also has grumpy eyebrows. And there we go. One grumpy cat ready for stitching.